Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Brian right here in Kentucky on this truckerized Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Brian, got it ready to go for you, bud? Check out that beautiful blue LEDs down there on the fan kit. We do offer that option now. A couple various colors you can choose from. It'll be in the custom order section as well as the section where you purchase this radio. It'll be popping up, you know, customers have also purchased, and this is one of the options there. Okay, let's go ahead and get right to it. Turn our power all the way down. 500 watt slug. Get you about 30 watts all the way down. Roll it up. 150. Show you average power swing. Low, over 300 bird average. 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello, about 775 PEP. Now I know you run a watt meter, but I'm going to show you what it's running at the halfway point. 500 watt slug, just a hair over 100 watts. That's probably where I would run it, because look, hello, still swings the same 775, 780, Brian. Okay, so I'd run it right there, and this is your band switch. Of course, there's your 11 meter band, your SWR and signal right there, noise blanker, Roger beep, and your high-low power. In low power, you're doing I think about 100 watts. Let's see. Hello. Let's get up there about 150 or so. So still making some big power with the amp off. Okay. All right, Brian, we're gonna get it to you, but I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.